Oh, what do I believe in? I believe that humans get smarter and better every day. Although the world is getting more and more complex, we're all living creatures sharing the earth with other living creatures. This is a living world.
We need to think bigger. We need to think long term. We need to think about 7 generations down the road.
Really being intentional about what we think needs to happen going forward from a planetary perspective, and then aligning our decisions to help move in that direction. And we can.
So at a personal level, why do I personally want to create a better world? Honestly, I think it's because we can, which means we have a responsibility to create a better world.
I think if you ask people, do you want to create a better world? Well, yeah, I think most people do. But how to do that, and which design decisions matter?
Design is not just the thing, not just the noun, the product, the beautiful shape. Design is also the process, how you get there, how you make resource trade-offs and decisions. And so design tools, to the extent that they give us more leverage over our human ability to think more deeply about a problem. And we have many problems in the world that we need to solve.
Creating a better world implicitly is we all have to do it together.
The problems we're working on solving are getting increasingly complex. Some of them are so complex, like global climate change, that we don't even really understand the problem, right? We're having trouble grokking the problem, let alone the solution.
But at the same time, the technologies are just now coming out that are going to enable us to solve those big problems. What does it mean when you have open source hardware?
Our brains aren't evolving, basically. The technology is evolving, so what has to evolve is our culture. Those tools define the culture, tools define the species.
Design tools help us design better. And design is really about intent. What future world do we want?
So if we can move away from petroleum to capturing sunlight to build polymer molecules and feedstocks for all of our manufacturing processes, that reverses the problem that we have with carbon today, for example.
It's the conversations that happen along the way that force us to ask these questions. What do we value? What do we believe? Why are we doing this? What is it that we provide? What is a better world?
So I just see this incredible world appearing where we've just become so incredibly connected, both through our computing technologies and through this shared understanding of living systems. And the bridges that we'll build between them, that we just become an incredibly enlightened species.